Hey, what's up, y'all? Get ready with me for this wedding Sunday. So one of my close friends is getting married. My girl Shy, she's my sissy poo. What I'm doing right now is taking down my hair. So once I get done taking down my hair, I'll be back. Halfway done. we halfway. I took all the braids down in the back. Now I'm just gonna take down my front row, and then we can get started on this wash routine. My favorite brand is Shea Moisture, if you know me, and I use everything in this line. Everything in this line. But I'll be back when I finish the rest of this. Let me see. So y'all can see what I was saying. It looks great on camera. I don't know why though. A little crazy, but hey Shy, I know you don't know about the surprise. So I hope you enjoy it, girl, and let's have some fun. But y'all, we're surprising one of my friends, my closest college friend. She's getting married tomorrow. I'm one of her bridesmaids.
Get up here!
Look.
Let's dance! Let's dance!
Hi, I'm the bride, and I got my dress from Shein. I got my bracelet from my homegirl. Necklace I got from the mall, it's custom made. I'm not wearing any earrings. And glasses from the eye doctor.
Hi, I'm the maid of honor. My shirt is from Belk. My skirt is from Charlotte Rose. My ring is from Kate Spade. My glasses are from Zelo. This is also the bridesmaid. Her shirt, her flannel, is from PLT. Her shirt is from Fashion Nova. And her skirt is also from Charlotte Rose, styled by me.
I'm like, cup over. No, we're going to Hi, chaotic here. I'm a bridesmaid. Shirt is from Route 21. Rings, amusement park, hair store. I don't know, a couple years ago. Bracelets by me. Necklace. I think, where did I get this necklace from? No, it's fashion. Earrings, Marshalls. Pants, hospital, pop-up shop from 10 years ago. Peace out. Okay. what's up, y'all? So I finally got home. I went to go see Inside Out today. It was good. But let's get where I'm really here to talk about. It's right here. So I finally got it. After all the hype, I decided to go get one. And I'm gonna open it up. Hold on. So I got it Unbrush, and of course, you know what color I had to get it in. I got it in the pink. And I'm gonna do an example because I need to brush my hair. So I'm gonna use this to brush my hair. Because I haven't brushed it yet. But you see that? It got the patent on the back of it. See? And it just talks about what it does on the back. So let's brush this hair. I'm gonna try it. So let's see. Oh, well then, we're gonna try it on my natural hair. I'm gonna take my hair down so I can wash it. But but it is like a brush. It doesn't snag too bad. So I might like this on my curly hair. I might like it on my curly hair. Let me take these shades off. And brush through it to tangle some of this. Because I haven't brushed my hair in a while. So detangle it. Yeah. I like it. It's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. But we're gonna see how it work on a natural hair though. But yeah, y'all gonna get y'all one. But I will do an update video. Probably posted on my YouTube of my natural hair care routine using this. But I have another video coming up before that one of my hair routine and the products that I use. The next video with this, it'll be just like me doing my hair. But yeah.